Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk about life, food, family, and fun, so please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any videos. And I post every Tuesday and Thursday, so every week you get something new. Okay, today we're doing a food hack, or a food something. I'm not even sure what to call this. It's a really weird way to make your food. Has anybody heard of this? If you've heard of this, leave me a comment below if you've tried this. So if you're interested in finding out what this really weird way to prepare food is, stay tuned and let's do this.
I prepared and handled raw food.
I hunt it, you cook it.
I feel as if I've never done this before in my life.
So one of my friends sent me a text message and she asked me if I had heard of this really bizarre way of cooking your food. And it was cooking your food in a dishwasher. And I was like, what? Cooking your food in a dishwasher? That's disgusting. And she said, well, all you do is make sure that it is in a dishwasher-proof, waterproof container, and you put it in there, you run the cycle, and then your food is just cooked when you're done. Now, why anyone would want to do this, and whoever thought of trying it first, I don't know. So we're gonna try this out. I don't even know what yet, but we're gonna cook something, and my family is gonna eat it. And our motto is, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Let's see if they throw a fit. Okay, we are in the kitchen and we are going to test this recipe out. I found this on Popsugar. I'm gonna do most of her recipe, not the dessert, but I'm gonna do the rest of it. So it's green beans, shrimp, and couscous. So let's see if this actually works. Okay, so right here I've got some mason jars and we're gonna put the shrimp in this one. We're gonna do a little bit of couscous in this, and then I've got some extra ones. We're gonna do some green beans in here. Okay, we've got the shrimp in the bowl. The recipe did call for white wine. I didn't have any, so we're gonna put in some chicken stock instead. We're also gonna put in some butter, garlic. This stuff is the best stuff ever, you guys. This garlic, you don't have to chop it, you don't have to do anything to it. Keep it in the fridge. Garlic. Then we're gonna do some salt and pepper. Put the lid on and give it a good shake. It's good to go into the dishwasher. Next up, couscous. I'm using this box of couscous. This is the roasted garlic and olive oil. I'm gonna do 2 mason jars, 2 packages since there is 5 of us. That's gonna go in. Okay, it just went everywhere. Now I'm gonna add the sauce packet that it comes with. This is gonna be 1 3/4 of the chicken stock. And a little bit of lemon. Put the lid on that, give that a good shake, and that's ready for the dishwasher as well. Okay, I've got my green beans. We're now gonna fill this with water. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in, garlic, and a little bit of lemon juice. All right, there's our dinner in there with all the dirty dishes. We are gonna throw the soap in. Set it for the normal cycle. Start, and we'll see it when it's done. Jacob, I'm cooking your dinner in the dishwasher right now.
That's impossible.
Why?
It's gonna clean your food.
You don't want your food to taste like soap?
That's gonna be disgusting.
Okay, we're gonna plate this up. I tasted this. It was amazing, except the green beans. The green beans are not cooked at all. So we're gonna skip the green beans and just go for the shrimp and couscous and be done with it. I'm gonna see what my kids think of it. What do you think?
Oh, I haven't tried it yet, but delicious. And tastes cleaner.
Tastes cleaner. It doesn't have soap on it. What do you think?
Couscous is good.
The couscous is what?
Good with lemon.
Yeah, it is.
Who knew? So this worked. It's weird. If you're completely desperate, try this hack. It actually was really fun and interesting, and these are just really fun, so, you know, it works. So, try this out. Let me know if you've tried this out. And until the next video, stay inspired to try weird things like me. See ya, ladies.